Stop by and take a look at 2017 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, heated seats, remote engine start, traction control, power passenger seat, Bose sound system, dual airbags, air conditioning, Bluetooth, backup camera. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.